We are working in Cricut Design Space, and today I'm going to show you how to take a single color design like this one, Happy Go Lucky, into a multicolored layered design. I'm going to open a new project. To bring in our design, I'm going to go to Upload, Upload Image, and then I'm going to pull in that Happy Go Lucky SVG. If I wanted to, I could add some tags here, but I'm going to leave it just as is and click on Upload. And then I'm going to highlight the Happy Go Lucky and add to canvas. Now I want to duplicate this design. So on my Mac, I'm going to hit Command C and then Command V, and that pastes it. I'm going to hit Command V 4 more times so I can have 6 copies. 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to highlight all designs, Command A, and we are going to center align them all. So it looks like I have one, but you can see over here in my layers panel that I have 6. And to keep it nice and easy, we are going to go from the top down. So I'm going to make sure that my top layer is highlighted, and I'm going to go to my contour panel, and it's easier just to hide all contours to start, but then I want to keep the Happy Go. So I'm just going to click on each letter and highlight it. And then for these letters, I need to make sure and highlight the center portion and the outline portion as well. And I want to make sure to hide this lucky. I'm going to hit the X. And then what that does is basically hide all of the layers. See, I can move it over to the side, except that Happy Go. And we're going to change the color of that Happy Go by coming up here to Operation. And let's make it purple. Now we're going to go to our next layer in the layers panel. And again, we're going to hit contour. We're going to hide all contours, except this time we want to only highlight this top arc of our rainbow. So we're going to hide the lucky, and we only have that top arc, and you can see it over here in the layers panel what that looks like. And again, we're going to change the color on that, and let's change it to red. Now I'm going to come back over to the layers panel, hit contour. Are you catching on here? Hide all contours except that middle one, that middle arc, and highlight the lucky. So all we have is that arc. And now let's change that one to orange. Then we're going to go to our next Happy Go Lucky, hide all contours, and we want our bottom arc. And this one we want to be yellow. Now on this next Happy Go Lucky in our layers panel, hide all contours except for the clover. Hide the lucky, and this one we're going to make green, of course. Then on our bottom design, again, hit contour, hide all, and we want to make sure and click the inside of our letters as well. And this one, we are going to make blue. And it looks like over here we missed a little bit of our yellow arc, so I'm going to go to our layers panel, go to contour again, and then just highlight that little bottom piece as well. And there it is. So now we have changed our single color SVG into a 6-colored layered design. And if I click on Make It, you can see the different mats of the different colors. So now we are ready to cut it. I'm going to click on Continue, and then we're going to be cutting it out of permanent vinyl. And then we can follow the prompts in Cricut Design Space to see what color of mat to load. If you want more fun craft tutorials, make sure to check out my website, thecraftyblogstalker.com.